Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. And in today's video, I'm just going to show you how to stop someone using your Spotify account using a PC or laptop. If you find this helpful, please leave a like and drop a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So in order to do this, it's fairly simple. What we're going to do is actually open up a new web browser. And then we're going to come across to Spotify.com. And then what we need to do is just go ahead and log into our account. So if we click the login button up here in the top right hand corner, now I've got mine linked with Facebook, so I'm going to click onto that option. Okay, so we're in our account now. So basically what you can do, so say you've shared your details or you've left your details on someone else's computer and they keep using your Spotify and you don't want them to. The best way around this is if you actually come to your account and log in, and then if you click onto your profile icon up in the top right hand corner, and then come down to account, and there's actually two ways you can do this. So you can actually scroll down the page, and what you can do is click this first option here which says sign out everywhere. So what's going to happen, that's going to sign out everyone that's signed into your account. So any sessions you've got signed in from other laptops, phones or devices, it's going to sign them out completely. So you can do it that way, and but if you want people to stay out of your account permanently, so if you want to stop them accessing your account completely, what you need to do is actually change your password. So when you signed everyone out, what's going to happen, they're going to be signed out, but then obviously if you go ahead and change your password, they're going to need that new password to then log into your account. So this is the best way to do it. So I hope you did find that helpful, and if that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. And if you go ahead and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.